Abusia mo hot say. Me the video bi be so mo. Efa chainsaw operators ho. Opani kase a mo hwe ni mfoni. O kire se operators abebu dua won asase so. Na omo nkopɛ niama emra no nya mamre ma omo fi se edua na omo buye no tumi bi tim. Enkrofo no koye no omo antumi amba. Papa nankasa eye amamre ene amane na o kire se nam se enue bi wo ho aya na tumi ewo mu nti no cheso operators dodo na bra bonhye danye papa yedi kan de part 1 abesomo ewo ke Sami TV wa wonya bi nhwe yere me pa chew ko na kowe part 1 no na yedi part 2 ene to aso maka kire mo se memi wo ho se yensua bibi efisa bibi man no eye ahonhom man yenti ase saa me kaisa me na nabi ka kire me se gata kra ye botra no eye obi dia enti se ye begie di se ye engine di yenko na yenkohwe opani ni video a wode be somo ganafo a me fili se yensua bibi mfirimu bia uye chainsaw operator wabusuani bi eye chainsaw operator na watumi atunufo empo se okobudua den ene sese wo ye ansana wabudua no evise niaminim ene se ne etwa ye ho ahye nyina honhom atim nti yenhwe video we emre sisia.
The guys came to cut it. I told them, listen, if you don't want trouble, let trouble not find you. If you don't want trouble, I'm begging you, go get some items, come and appease the energy. Then I'll release your machine for you and go. This is since Monday, since last week Monday. Today is another Monday, so it's been a week already. They are telling me they can't afford 4 chicken. 4 chicken. You can't afford 4 chicken. As I'm doing this ritual, if you're online and you have lost anything, you have lost your building, you have lost your money, you have lost your contract, you have lost your business, you have lost your wife, you have lost your husband, or you are losing. You see, it's not just about you've lost. Also put the incense here, please. It's not just about lost, but even if you are losing, a relationship, marriage, contract, business, if you have lost something dear to you, connect with me. Let's connect to this prayer, and then let's bring it back. As I'm calling her, call the name of whatever you've lost. None of my answer one can you painting one is it? Yeah. The more be a born, I'll go. And oh, Papa, I show. Basoneku, Michel. Billy Baja Michel. Bochoko Michel. Akrana Abrewa Michel. Alanta, Fofu, Michel. Akra Yesu. Kumkum. Wina Michel. Abutu Fwe. Obodan. Benchoko. Dadija. Michel Wina. Sansensu Michel Wina. As people who go assassin. I don't know young bones in Basa. So why you mean? Yake Abu was in one pet. Oh, if what? Oh, a chronomo 1, a chronomo 2. Yasika, we know. Oh, yeah. That's one budget. Your friend and them all. Budu. Oh, yeah. In the age now, oh, yeah, I was some so you need some. But yeah, my mission. Adaroma. Nano, Joada. Ejino, Ejon. Esho William, Esho Womba. No, my Odo. Ebinim ye nsunum, ebinim ya ayaresa fi wudie mu. Wa haban.
I'm not it.
Ehwe kwando. Ehwe do owu esan. Beseye. On ba asase do.
Okro.
Ehwe ni nyina.
Okra.
Eguru hwewaza na yenye ne tie de. Obi amepo na meye mama mre. Etan de bibi kase bi ato. Oto yesi abasem we si mbahwe a. Sa na obi no we zu nya modem. We zu wu. We zu nya. Mbe na onye no kwando.
Ebi o.
Na mesre. Da fa sha wonu mpo. Won ko toto nya, o de wo toto. Won fa mbesre. Anam de yanam wi ase asisi a yimpam boaze. Yimpantin susu mase.
I'm not it.
One thing the master wafa bibia trailer. What feed us asking or don't you? Indiana also free no ye pebble no dear. When you let to me be no say as it be no say me bibia for now. Say I be owner me jina ha, mammy. Now no one dumb way which and wish ya. As soon as say you,
Yeah.
Sassy tabi.
Yeah.
Nsui na tabi.
Yeah.
Eje yina tabi.
Yeah.
When I ask one man, what am Yantini ye.
Yeah.
Yatini ye near him there. Yes, you win yam.
Yeah.
Yes, he a car would you my pie busy was I see.
I'm not sure.
A man for a boy who bun. Obi Pobo dear Dano. Nina Yamon.
No crack.
I am a impantins a massive. Impantins a massive.
I'm not it.
Yes, Momu do Crubio.
Yeah.
On your own question, young. What's an if you name when you're samba?
No crack.
Who may be in grass as in do? Born woman.
Yeah.
More than
Yeah.
Warm one, sir. No put. One year more, say.
Yeah.
1 year more fatter.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gina, ha. Yes, so I want one cinema.
Yeah.
So what 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So what pop 'em.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't feel was in the dark.
I know.
Up in there. So be the one. No, one about your agent. So what quite your be? No, one about your agent.
Yeah.
So be a man say. No, one about your agent. Obina Brabba say. No, one about your agent. Obia new kunewu. Ni yirewu. That's 2 men. Obia numbewu. Number ko answer me chi. Yes more number for. Obia ontum wo bopo. Yes free deroko. Mo nya ba. Obia na adwuma say. Me na adwuma pa. Obia na bibiru ko kan. Ah obia bu twetwe na anemu. Yes shenema. 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 Yes we are Simon say na ahye won say. Yes e bibi mani nyina ahye won say. Yes, a bibi mba na wa bo wi asafi na nyina petition won say. Be mo bibia wo bi orosan. Be mo bibia wo bi orinyan. Be mo bibia wo bia orun na echi. What's the sound cover? Or san akọ na echi akọfa no. Mo mo nya nchira. Ahoma weche en weche nyina wa dede nyina we na won so so. Ngwa wa dan won echi ma won nyina won so so. Ahimfia won fa bu won fa ma won nyina won so so. Akonfa wa toba ha nyina yeso na ho se. Asofo wa toba ha nyina yeso na ho se. Akonfa wa toba ha nyina yeso na ho se. That's of in there ko no days was asido. No days were Ghana many. No days were Africa many nyina. Ejanu sorry bio. And soon sorry bio. And from man sorry bio. Assassin sorry bio. Change our who be arrow.
I'm not saying.
I said, baby, boko guru or crowd.
I no crack.
Son of what you do.
No
You
crack.
bajao.
No crack.
Yes, if it's in narrow co.
Yeah.
Man, Desi.
Young.
Momudo.
Young.
Sorry.
Young.
Sounds so if you have you.
Yeah.
Me and Bo with a young cat. Ah. On your journey, HSC way.
Piao. Piao. Piao.
On your journey, HSC way.
Yeah.
Up and then, was answer you.
Oh.
Why any antibio?
Yo. Yeah.
Change. Any antibio.
Yo.
Obi bia ordinary kuma pa. Others in pay echi. That's on yenshira.
Yeah.
On yenshira.
Yeah.
On si dance.
Yeah.
Them ewo.
Yeah.
Ya won wazi bi obi na brabo.
Yeah.
Mon si dance.
Yeah.
Ya won wazi obi na brabo.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mon si dance. That's a stroll.
Meal.
I know ben chain na.
Yeah.
I know so meji bi.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Adama.
Yeah.
That's a stress.
Yeah.
Yes, you.
Yeah.
Elokwe.
Yeah.
From Queen Mizi.
Yeah.
For comment.
Yeah.
Yensen papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Adama.
Yeah.
From Queen Mizi.
Yeah.
Yantem kokoyi. Yaso me wenu abre no. Yan hwe okwa. Wenu abre no. Ye de yankoko. Ye de bay. Bekata wo ho. Na yan wanku na esu. Yan yurusu. Yan use arabo. Now I can speak English.
Yeah.
I'm asking that as we done this, let the blessings come upon us.
Yeah.
Let the blessings come upon you.
Yeah.
Let the blessing come upon every single person that connected to this ritual.
Yeah.
Right where in your home, right where in your house. Whatever it is you're going through, whatever it is you are dealing with, whatever it is that is gone out of your life, that's this very day. Let that blessing find you.
Amen.
Amen. Adamu. That's it. Under the tree, under the energy in the tree, and bless it. And then you will see what will happen to your life. Okay? Have a great time. I'll see you soon. Don't forget, June 12th, we are having a 3-hour non-stop prayer on TikTok. June 12th. Make sure you stay connected. 3 hours non-stop prayer. And after the prayer, I'm hearing TikTok, they allow you stream for an hour. So we'll do 3 hours. We'll do the first hour, cut, come back, continue, cut, come back, continue. And after that, the last hour, we'll see what will happen. Okay? On TikTok. I'll see you guys. I love you. You have to touch the phone.